WF Wells is proud to introduce the model B25-3A3 CNC horizontal twin post bandsaw with CNC shuttle bar feed. With standard features like a 2-inch blade, a 25-inch cut capacity, digital saw head and bar feed positioning, a color touchscreen with advanced user-friendly software, high-quality Vickers and Parker hydraulics, industry-standard electrical components, and of course our legendary country-strong unitized welded construction make the B25-3A3 CNC one of the best values in the twin-post bandsaw marketplace. The B25-3A3 CNC features a 2-inch blade, cast iron blade guides with spring tension carbide blocks and in-feed cam followers, hydraulic-powered guide arm positioning, hydraulic-powered blade brush, active hydraulic blade tension, 26-inch diameter cast iron wheels, and a Textron cone drive gearbox. An AC vector drive controls the 15 horsepower ball door motor. Blade speeds of 60 to 400 surface feet per minute are easily controlled at the color touchscreen. All WF Wells bandsaws meet or exceed the North American Sawing Association's blade twist and wheel diameter recommendations. Many bandsaw manufacturers do not follow these design recommendations. Designing and building a bandsaw with a larger than recommended blade size per wheel diameter and a less than recommended blade twist length will always result in premature blade failure. By design, you can always expect maximum performance and longevity from your saw blades on a WF Wells bandsaw. Cutting capacity is 25 inches high by 40 inches wide for rectangular stock and 25.5 inches for round stock. And because the B25-3A3 CNC is a twin post design, it can also be used for notching. WF Wells also offers the B25-3C-A3 CNC, which has a 6-degree canted head. What sets a WF Wells bandsaw apart from other bandsaws is our cutting force system. Other bandsaw manufacturers use the pressure differential in their cutting head hydraulic cylinder to control cutting force. This is far removed from the saw cut and includes such variables as changing material cross sections, pressure sensors, fluid viscosities, and cylinder stiction. It's no accident that saw blade deviation monitoring comes standard. The B25-3A3 CNC features a variable cutting force that is quickly and accurately set for the material being cut at the operator's console. Our Precision Series 2 metering valves, which are located on the blade guides at the saw cut, control the descent rate of the saw head. The metering valves respond immediately and accurately to changing material cross sections such as rounds and structural shapes, ensuring proper cutting force throughout the entire cut. This cutting force method maximizes productivity by optimizing cycle times, reducing material waste, and maximizing saw blade life. The B25-3A3 CNC utilizes a color touchscreen that has been specifically designed for use in industrial environments. WF Wells has engineered the control system so that entry-level operators with minimal sawing experience can safely and efficiently make accurate cuts with the B25-3A3 CNC. To make a user-friendly interface for the operator to access machine controls, the color touchscreen software is designed to display all the parameters required for either manual or automatic operation using a minimum number of screens. For those quick one-off jobs, just enter the part length and the number of cuts required, and the CNC will figure out the rest. Part lengths and cuts required can also be changed while the saw is in operation. Help screens and step-by-step dialog prompts guide the operator through the information required to program and sequence up to 500 jobs. A no trim cut feature, automatic blade curve compensation, machine diagnostics, changing between inches and metrics on the fly, and material management data are all standard. The hydraulic operated bar feed shuttle has a 14,000 pound capacity, 36-inch shuttle stroke, variable feed rate, in-feed rollers, and a floating design that helps compensate for slightly twisted or bent materials. WF Wells bar feed shuttles use tool room quality linear position transducers, optical out-of-stock sensors, engineered shuttle bearings, and Milwaukee hydraulic cylinders to provide strength, accuracy, and reliability. The WF Wells bar feed shuttle can take the abuse of the heaviest materials being loaded and still deliver a projection accuracy of plus or minus 2/1000 of an inch. And unlike other buyer feed shuttles, backlash will never be an issue. Hydraulic operated, full stroke, saw bed and bar feed vices are 17 inches tall and have replaceable wear plates. Optional wear plates are available in hardened steel, aluminum, and Armaplate and are quick and easy to replace. Clamping force is variable and adjusted at the operator's console, and an anti-lift feature helps make straight cuts even when materials are slightly twisted or bent. There are 2 emergency stops located on the B25 3A3 CNC, one at the operator's panel and a safety pull cord that covers the rear of the saw. For added safety, each of the bandsaw wheel doors has a built-in safety switch that disables saw operation when the door is open. Broken blade and blade stall detection are also standard safety features. Square D disconnects, UL, CE, and CSA approved touch-safe electrical components, dual wired-in work lights, Parker and Vickers hydraulic components, Milwaukee cylinders, powder-coated components for resistance to cutting fluids, forklift pockets, built-in 15-gallon coolant system, and same-day shipping are all standard features. Optional equipment includes a 40-inch wide by 56-inch long discharge table, hydraulic chip conveyor, hydraulic operated saw and bar feed vise hold downs, outboard vise with hydraulic hold down, and 5 and 10-foot non-powered conveyors. The B25 3A3 CNC can also be ordered with a high-speed 1.5-inch blade option. Blade speeds ranging from 500 to 3,000 surface feet per minute can be used for cutting aluminum and other non-ferrous materials. WF Wells is unique in the American machine tool industry in that we have manufactured our entire line of bandsaws here in Three Rivers, Michigan since 1949, while many of our competitors have resorted to importing the products they sell. WF Wells has always been at the leading edge of cutting technology and will continue to make advancements in engineering and manufacturing processes using the latest computer-aided design and modeling software. We manufacture the most accurate and reliable bandsaws with the highest strength-to-weight ratios in the machine tool industry. Outstanding American-made value in a demanding and ever-changing machine tool marketplace is the direct result of our engineering depth, versatility, and commitment to the future of bandsawing. WF Wells offers a complete line of bandsaws to meet the requirements of the most demanding cutting applications, and to better serve our customers, we have made a commitment to stock our standard line of bandsaws, as well as parts for all WF Wells models, dating as far back as 1949. If you need a bandsaw now, we can ship it today. We also design and build custom bandsaws for special applications. 75% of our custom machines cut materials other than metal. Saws designed to cut materials such as plastics, graphite, crystal, quartz, silicon, ceramics, wood, military ballistics, and the underwater cutting of spent nuclear fuel show just how diverse our custom bandsawing engineering capabilities are. We are a progressive company with experience and the ability to meet the challenges of your individual bandsawing requirements. If there's a need for a special option, we can quote, design, and build it.